You know, Hank, the sun is coming up again tomorrow. And it's raining all over the world. And there's young lovers and little kids. You know, just magical. And when the brain gets in full tilt boogie, Ma,
Uh-huh.
you know, full empathy, full going out, going in.
Yeah.
You know what it runs into?
What?
The eternal. The quantum. Might be dark energy, whatever.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, we sense it because the whole species is kind of hooked in on it. And I know a lot of people might say, you know, they're making it up so they don't feel bad. But no, the spiritual experience is real.
Yeah.
So, we don't have to get excited about nothing. We just kick back and chill out to the mellow sounds of the singing DJs. Because live from the Broad Room Studios, it's a really big old-time radio medicine show, Three Chords and the Truth. The Honky Tonk Podcast from Hell. And we always play a game. Oh, there's a song in that.
Yeah.
We also play another game called, Is There Any Money in That?
Yeah.
Your life is going to change very soon. If you're still watching the show. What are you playing there, Mom?
Same thing that you got. E, no, an N and E. Do you have a song, Dad?
Yeah, go ahead, sing Kiss Me Mother.
Okay. Kiss me, mother, kiss your darling. Lay my head upon your breast. Throw your loving arms around me. I am weary, let me rest. Seems the light is swiftly fading. Brighter scenes they do now show. I am standing by the river. Angels wait to take me home. Kiss me, mother, kiss your darling. See the pain upon my brow, while I'll soon be with the angels. Fate is doomed, my future now. Through the years you've always loved me. In my life you tried to say, but now I shall slumber sweetly in a deep and lonely grave. Kiss me, mother, kiss your darling. Lay my head upon your breast. Throw your loving arms around me. I am weary, let me rest. I am weary, let me
how many things too low were we?
I usually do that in like a D.
All right, now I was going changing octaves on my harmony, wasn't I?
Yep.
See?
Yep. Figuring it out.
Yeah, because I didn't know just how low or how high it was going to be.
Nope.
It was both too high and too low.
Yep. That's what you got to do.
Well, no, we could be more organized, but I just grabbed it real quick,
Yeah,
and I was glad you made it through.
Yeah.
You must have been real low, were you?
Very low.
Ooh.
But you always made me.
I
do
think
it too
they
high
like
at the
that because they
beginning,
call that, what did he call it? Called it something.
juxtaposition.
No, the guy on there
Oh, I don't know.
commenting, he said, meant big voice sort of thing. Okay, the Great Americana. Oh, just a minute. Is that the first one? Oh my God, what's happened to the good book, Ma?
I don't know. You
Oh,
brought it
start
out.
talking then. Oh, that's where it starts, right there with that trident, that
Ah.
trifactor trident, whatever it is. You know why?
Why?
Because that's the biggest thing. I got to get that out of the way, or we might miss it.
Yeah.
And that's the most important thing. Now, you know how I figured out what the brain was doing?
Yeah.
Evolution.
Yeah.
With the components, survival and procreation.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I got it so it's a trident now, too. Because I figured out a label for the third prong.
What?
Because there is a prong past survival
Mm-hmm.
and procreation.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like if you get stuck like a record, like the billionaires,
Yeah.
a lot of them are stuck like a record.
Yeah.
They're not really evoluting.
No.
When you evolve,
Uh-huh.
that third prong, once you got the survival and the procreation done,
Uh-huh.
that's creative development. That's what that is.
Oh.
The third one is creative development. And that's why when you see people, whenever they get into something that's really creative,
Mm-hmm.
oh, they always feel better.
Mm-hmm.
Their life all improves.
Yeah.
There's a reason for that.
There's reason for that.
So the law is complete.
Good.
I think isn't that written down here? There ought to be a law.
Yeah.
There it is, right there. That's where I'll get to talk about that.
Should we take a ride, Dad?
But until we haven't taken a ride yet?
No.
Okay, let's make it real quick. Okay, we're going to get you mesmerized now. Hypnosis. Country and Western. Hypnosis.
Step outside the door to your mind.
We're getting the old black Cadillac limo because we're gonna take a ride.
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 I'll pass the city limit sign.
City limit sign.
They pass a honky tonk
Pass a honky tonk.
and pass the county line.
Pass the county line.
Through the amber waves of grain
Through the waves of grain.
and past the dairy cows.
With the big brown
To the old country road,
country road.
the old county line road,
Take you home.
and all the girlies' toes hanging out of the window. And we see the old tower, huge old tower, 50,000 watts.
It's a big old radio
50,000 watts from station THRT. Brought to you by Alice's Restaurant, and you can get anything you want.
Fell out of rhythm.
Okay. But now we're going to pull in the old radio station. Boom, 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 boom. And we're going to go in the front door and see Betty Page at the front desk with Wizard of Oz girl. What's it? I got
Dorothy.
Dorothy. Judy Garland. She's training because they're serving up the specialty and sending you down the stairs here to the really big old time radio medicine show down the Burler Room Studios down here to me. For the really big old time radio medicine show starring Molly Griffin and her old dog, Duke.
Coming to you live from station GHRT in the virtual haystack in your mind, where the show always starts in 5 minutes. No, we don't spin the tunes on the turntable, we spin them on our souls. So kick back, chill out, and relax to the mellow sounds of the singing DJs.
Oh, since my baby left me, find a new place to dwell. Down at the end of the lonely street, they got a big hotel, oh baby. It's been so lonely, baby. It's been so lonely, baby. is lonely I could die.
Oh, it's always crowded.
Go!
Still to find some room. Then at the end of Lonely Street, you cry away your gloom, and I say,
I get so lonely, baby. Get so lonely. I get so lonely I could die. I was trying to think about how Rip It Up started. Saturday night.
Yeah.
No, I probably could have got it in if I could have had it stuck in my mind, but your mind gets in it.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay.
That's the school.
Quit while you're ahead.
This is how we teach. Here, your mind gets in a. You know, just shut up and mimic.
Yeah.
Learn by mimicry, right? You heard that guy talking about how I was teaching guitar, eh?
Yeah.
He loved it.
Yeah.
Because there's very few people on the earth that can play just about every song ever written with 3 chords.
Yeah.
And the truth.
Oh.
Which, by the way, is what Harlan Howard, one of the, perhaps the greatest songwriter, country songwriter, anyways, defined a country song. The reporter asked him,
Yeah.
how would you define a country song?
Yeah.
He said, oh, that's easy. 3 chords and the truth. Marianne, 2020, I heard you got to check her out.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah. I told
She's
you.
a honkin' something, isn't she?
Yeah, she's pretty cool.
Has she got a man? She's a really good-looking 66-year-old woman.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I could have an older woman.
Yeah.
See? She'd still be a chick. Ma, I woke up the other morning and I looked up my back and a lady had took a dump in my backyard.
What are you talking about? I don't get it.
Lady. Mother Nature.
Oh.
She
Snowed.
dumped.
Snowed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good one, Dad.
Woo! Well, I'll do that next. What, do you got a song?
Yes.
No, you don't. You're listening to me again. You're not supposed to be listening to me. Let me have a look here. This is a podcast.
Well, I don't know, but I saw Walk Through This World With Me.
Oh, what key, Mom?
G sharp, I think. That might be wrong.
It's going to be real honking high. Watch her go. Walk through this world with me. Go where I go. Share all my dreams with me. I need you so. You know that in life we search, and some of us find. I've looked for you such a long, long time, and now that I've found you, new horizons I see. Oh, come take my hand, walk through this world with me. Come take my hand, walk through this world with me. Walk through this world with me. Go where I go. Share all my dreams with me. I need you so. You know that in life we search, and some of us find. I've looked for you such a long, long time, and now that I've found you, new horizons I see. Come take my hand, walk through this world with me. Come take my hand, walk world with me. Come take my hand, walk through this world with me. You'll miss me early in the morning. I won't be there. Oh, yeah. There ought to be a law. Well, there is.
Is there?
And you know how often I'm sheriff?
Yeah.
I'm always the sheriff, but
Yeah.
I don't act like him all the time because
Yeah.
sometimes I'm the reverend,
Yeah.
the doctor,
Yeah.
and the guru.
Yeah.
Americana guru.
Yeah.
There is a law now,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm the sheriff.
Yeah.
Because it's Griffin's law of evolution in man.
Mm-hmm.
Griffin's. I looked up laws, you know, and they get named after whoever discovers them.
Ah.
So I thought it's pretty cool
Mm-hmm.
because that's the way I made the law,
Yeah.
and it's right,
Yeah.
and it's good.
Yeah.
So I'm the sheriff too.
Good.
There ought to be a law. There is a law, and I'll administer it.
Okay. Sounds good.
And I'm not fooling around. Woo! Get back in the wagon, woman.
Girl.
Take the chitlins and get back in the wagon. I don't know. I don't see no time. Hank, what happened? I don't see nothing. Can't tell nothing. I have no idea what's going on.
We are 17 minutes
What
in.
the hell?
You didn't seem to
I
care
thought-
last time.
Okay, well, you know the great Americana novel
Yeah.
is underway.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yes. I could have brought out the I just started going.
Mm-hmm.
And, Ginger said, well, it's many, many pages.
Yeah.
I don't know how much it is.
Yeah.
I'm just talking.
Yeah.
I'm just writing down what I'm talking.
Mhm.
And I'll tell you what I noticed.
Mm-hmm.
My first part
Mm-hmm.
was pretty good.
Yeah.
But it had nothing to do with the second part,
Yeah.
which was kind of wild.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, it's kind of like Dylan.
Yeah.
Freaky.
Yeah.
It's really heavy. You can
Yeah.
really get into it. It's what I said at the beginning of the show.
Yeah.
I was talking about the human brain going off.
Yeah.
Because I said at the end of that, I said, so, if you don't believe that's true,
Mm-hmm.
you might not want to read this.
Yeah.
Because you don't have a lot of time. See, they don't know about the DNA.
Yeah.
You got the DNA there, too.
Yeah.
DNA is afterlife you can see.
Yeah.
We got a lot of stuff going on down here
Mm-hmm.
at the show,
Mm-hmm.
don't we, Mom?
We do.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
The Great Americana Novel. Because you know what the name of it is?
What?
Well, I'm not sure. Okay?
Okay.
Y'all can help me on this.
Mm-hmm.
I love, because it's all about the bullshit that's going on.
Yeah.
Right? Wall Street, the whole thing. Only it's like not boring like that. It's like shit. It's not boring at all. Be shitting yourself throughout. So I was going to call it Too Big to Nail.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know this, but I think most people do. Maybe I'm sure a lot of millennia know Too Big to Fail.
Yeah.
2008
I knew it when
and
you
the
said
crash.
That, yeah.
And, yeah. But then I decided it's a little heavier than that because it's the law,
Mm-hmm.
essentially. Me explaining the law and how it went down.
Yeah.
In juxtaposition with the state of affairs
Mm-hmm.
in America
Mm-hmm.
and how screwed up
Mm-hmm.
it is.
Mm-hmm.
Because they both come together in the sleeping pills.
Mm-hmm.
They meet,
Mm-hmm.
and you'll see it.
Mm-hmm.
The Great Americana Novel. One more brilliant piece of crap out of me. Let's go. What do you got?
Well, I was gonna say Time Slips Away because seemed like you were gonna end. You were talking about not having time to read it, but then
Read what?
see, this is the thing. I had a song for that, but then you kept talking, and I
What
didn't
was your song?
Time Slips Away.
Well, we should finish with that, shouldn't
Okay. Well,
we? Well, hello there then. All right. But you know what? When I was singing so high there and walked through this world,
Yeah.
I was singing. Give me a Johnny, okay?
I hear that train come.
It's rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine, and I don't know where now. Yeah, I've been stuck in Folsom Prison. Old town keeps dragging on, and that train keeps rolling on down the San Antonio. Take it away, Mom.
When I was just a baby, my mama told me, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno
I really did.
just to watch him die.
No, I didn't do that.
When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry.
You shot at me first. Oh, I bet there's rich folks eating in them fancy dining cars, probably drinking coffee. Oh, I know they're smoking those big cigars. Yeah, I know I had it coming, and I know I can be free. But those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures me.
Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.
Oh yeah, let that lonesome whistle roll my blues away. Yeah. John, I think he was in the room.
Yeah,
I felt his presence, man. Same as I felt Elvis's.
yeah.
When we were doing that,
Yeah.
because they like us to change their. They don't want to hear us copying.
No.
We could
Why
do
would
that
we?
when we were young.
Well, they
Yeah.
already did it. They already did it that way, perfectly.
I know, but some people are just dying to hear the exact copy. That's like some
Yeah, it's
wonder
weird.
they see it. It's just a songbird. It's the KP2.
Yeah. We'll just go listen
Well,
to
that's
the
what I
original.
tell everybody
It's
when
better
I'm
anyway.
teaching. I just say, "Shut up, mimic." Okay. What's going on now? I got another one out of the good book here.
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And this is what it is. And this is really important for you and all the people around me.
Mhm.
Watch my brain. Watch when we approach a subject how it works, because I've been watching it lately again.
Yeah.
And this is why things have gone certain ways at certain times in my life. And, you know, they used to say I had the, what'd they call it? The gold.
Midas touch.
Midas touch. Yeah, Midas touch. And you'll watch my brain. And you can present the weirdest thing to me. Highfalutin idea of some sort, right?
Yeah.
To make money, let's say. And my brain goes like this. It goes, yes, 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 yes.
Mhm.
And it's all yeses.
Mhm.
Yes, yes, oh. No. And then the next thing will come up. I can watch my brain doing this.
Yeah.
It's going, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, yeah, mm-hmm. Oh, no, that one. And it keeps doing that
Yeah.
until he hits one and goes, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is good.
I like that.
But you know what's happening there? The difference between a lot of people and the way that's going?
What?
It's mostly yeses.
Yeah.
It's mostly yeses.
Yeah.
I'm seeing all the positives.
Yeah.
But the part of my brain, the Germans are coming in. They're going, oh, no, that's not, that's no good. This is nicht valid. I'm not German.
Nope.
Hey, everybody's going to think I'm German. Well, they say Norwegians are like Germans that know how to keep their mouth shut.
Oh, very nice.
Or, yeah. Whatever. Couldn't tell it by me, could you, Mo?
No.
Keep your mouth shut person.
Yeah. Well, it might be the Irish or something.
You know, Humphrey Bogart was Norwegian, too.
Yeah.
But they were probably half and half like me.
Yeah, I think he is a mix.
Because, you know,
He was Dutch, too.
Ireland and Norway, right? Well, you know, the Vikings were hauling the red-headed Irish girls up to Norway in chains and things. And then and they also came down and stayed.
Yeah.
So both of them, and if you see where they are, you know, if you're from the marine fishing land, you'll see, oh, they're just up like that. It's like, you know, it's just like going up to Cape Cook.
Yeah.
You know, from Kayukit. Shut up, Mom. I'm talking West Coast talk here.
That's good. I like it.
New chatlets. Race rocks. I was circumnavigating that alone when I was a teen, in my teens.
Wow. What a man. What
Scared
a guy.
shitless all the time. No, I wasn't.
Yeah.
I wasn't crazy. You know, psychopaths, they don't feel the fear.
Yeah.
Oh, I felt the fear like big time.
Yeah. Hey, I have a question. When you were working on the water in your life, did you get sick?
No, I was kind of natural in that way.
Well,
I did get way up on the stabilizer in a storm because I had to get the stabilizer out. It was up and it was out, and I went up there. I was new, right? And it's really blowing and storming and shit like that, and you can't see. And I went up there, and I'm hanging by one arm like this, and I'm pulling all the lines apart and stuff so she'll let her go, because we need that other stabilizer. We got one down, one's still up, and we're in a rough. It's rough. So I got her all loosened out, right? And I don't know if I was letting her go or they were letting her go down below or something like that. Anyways, it come to the point where I let her go, right? And she flew out, and this arm that was holding on, there was a cord in there too. Like that.
Oh my God.
And I never went down.
Wow. They never got you down, right?
Because if I would have gone in, it was like really rough.
Yeah.
It would have been, they might not have got me.
Yeah.
No life jacket.
Wow.
7 years before the mast, Ma.
Yeah. No,
Arr. Huh?
I meant though, did you ever get like a cold?
No, never.
No. Yeah.
Oh, cold, no.
Because I heard this thing about people who work.
They did though. Guys did.
Oh, okay.
Guys also got sick for 2 weeks. A whole 2 weeks in the season. I wouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
If I was them.
Yeah. No, I was just wondering because
my dad got sick.
I heard this thing about people who work on the water, like on the ocean, don't get colds.
No.
That's not true? They do
well,
get colds?
I don't. Oh, yeah, sure, but they're not just on the water all the time.
Yeah.
Fishermen coming in with a trip and going up to see their wife and kids and getting a virus, I guess, but mostly pretty good, I would say. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay. Can we have one that like we haven't done for a long time here, Mo?
We haven't done...
Catch a phones.
Yeah, I was looking at that one actually. Yes.
Well, I wrote this for John Anderson, didn't I?
No, he wrote it for you.
Oh.
You know the crowd was very small.
You know the crowd was very small. Or a country music show. But he thanked the curtain call, just like it was years ago. And the lady grabbed his arm as he staggered down the aisle, and with all his country charm, he addressed her with a smile. Hey, would you catch a falling star before it crashes to the ground? Hey, don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. They pick me up and take me home, and I can bring my old guitar. We'll play some golden oldie songs. You could catch a falling star.
Play some golden oldie songs. You can catch a falling star.
I had a silver-plated bus. I had a million country fans. Now there's just a few of us. Oh, you drive a little van. They were beating down his door. The lovely ladies left and right. Now he's on the hardwood floor, wondering where he'll spend the night. Hey, would you catch a falling star before it crashes to the ground? Hey, don't you know how people are? Nobody loves you when you're down. They pick me up and take me home. I can bring my old guitar. We'll play some golden country songs. You could catch a falling star. We'll play some golden country songs. You could catch a falling star. We'll play some golden country songs. You could catch a falling star. You could catch a falling star. I got a song like that, but I just can't get around to, I was doing a little bit of KP too for the people that wanted it exact.
Yeah.
John, he's still on the YouTube there, you know. He's making records. He's making records.
Making records.
He's as good as he ever was. Better. But what was I going to say about that? I can't remember now, Mo. There's the filthy little dog. He's going to croak again right away. Now just watch him, because he's going to croak. I'm sure he's gone this time, ain't he, Hank? Yep.
This is it.
How much is that doggy in the window? Oh, oh, the one with the waggly tail. Oh, the waggly tail. I said, how much is that doggy in the window? Oh, oh, I do hope that doggies will say.
Well, I don't want a rabbit or a kitty. I don't want a parrot that talks.
Talking to me, you're talking to me.
I don't want a bowl of little fishies.
I don't want no blowfishes.
No, you can't take a goldfish for a walk.
I took a goldfish for a walking back. I said, how much is that doggy in a window? Oh, oh, the one with the waggly tail. Oh, the waggly tail. I said, how much is that doggy in a window? Oh, oh, I do hope that doggies will say. Because if he is, we're going to get Roger Mill. We're going to go walking in the sunshine. Sing a little sunshine song, a papi oh, oh. Put a smile upon your face as if there's nothing wrong. A papi oh, oh. We're going to think about a good time we had a long time ago. Thinking about forgetting about your worries and your old walking in the sunshine. Sing a little sunshine song. So now y'all go walking in the sunshine. Sing a little sunshine song. All right, keep the cards and letters coming in, and we'll see y'all in the penny papers. He went to sleep. I saw him. He was out for a minute, so he gets paid if he doesn't go to sleep. All right, see you in the penny papers. And what was the other one? Keep the card. I already said it, right? Have yourselves a good old Dolce Vito. And the Espanola and the Francais, they have the baguettes and the papaya, whatever it's called. Paella. And good old Dolce Vita.